Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we have continued to hold above our ascending trend line that I gave you in my previous videos, where I say to you that as long as we are holding above it, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue unlocking higher prices and continue gearing up. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is still acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey this Elliot structure that I have right here, where we started tracking it last week after seeing the massive sell-off in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.2124 mark. And after seeing that low, I suggested to you that whatever we saw in this recovery could be now the formation of that first wave. Then we started a corrective structure over here in the formation of this wave 2. And I gave you minimum target areas using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to that high at around the $0.2724 mark, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that we saw a breakdown into the target area, seeing a reaction between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5, and there are high chances that that could be the low for that second wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And to fully confirm to us that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, I'm expecting Fantom to give us a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.2724 mark. And the moment you manage to break above that, continue holding above it, and also continue showing some impulsiveness to the upper side, then that will be enough confirmation that we are in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.34111 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation also. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario where we can term this as the first wave, then a wave 2, and this now could be possibly that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to fully complete the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3, having the minimum target area at around the $0.34111 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart. And since we are now in the weekend and there's low volume in the market, we don't expect a lot of movement today and tomorrow also, but maybe on Monday we might expect a lot of volatility once more, helping us push through the wave 1 high, continue showing a lot of strength, break through areas of resistances until we fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 3. Also jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view here on the Fantom chart. You can see that after seeing our December lows down here, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, fully maximizing our minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target box. And at some point, we also lost an area on the Fibonacci's that I said was key for Fantom to continue holding above, which was the fib level 0.78. And since we lost that key area of support, we continue to hold above the fib level 0.88, and as a result of that, I still have some confidence in this EDOTF structure, and I still believe that this EDOTF structure can get fully invalidated the moment we lose the fib level 0.88. Once that happens, then I'll be getting total invalidation for this 1-2 setup that I have right here. And at the time of this recording, I still have the benefit of doubt that Fantom is going to give us a recovery to the upside in the formation of this larger EDOTF count 3. And for that to be fully confirmed, I'm expecting Fantom to give us a 5-wave move very soon, followed by an ABC corrective structure. If we see such a move here on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and that we are now getting back into another impulsive move to the upper side. So those are the two possible moves that I'm watching out here on the Fantom chart. On the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 60 mark. We have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.